Okay, so I bought a whack of paints, and a lot of them must have been sitting around for a long time because they are really separated. You can see the binder and the pigments have completely separated in some of these. And if I take some out and test it, it comes out very runny, and you can see blotches of pigment in the paint. Some of them are worse than others, but let's see if we can find a good one here. This one looks like it's almost completely dry. Yeah, that's a good example of crap. You can see it's like little pieces of pigment in there. So this is a bar clamp. It's a 4-inch bar clamp. This is a 4-inch bar clamp that I have ground the end off of. And the reason I ground the end off the bar clamp is, oh, first let's do step one here. We will rip this lid off, and these are chrome steel stainless ball bearings, and we'll just plop that right in the paint jar. Put the lid back on, give it a wipe. Now we'll stick this in my custom bar clamp. Just enough pressure to hold it in there. And the reason why I've filed the end off here, so I can fit it in my jigsaw. Making sure we got enough clearance here. And away we go. Okay, let's see how this goes now. Ooh. Nice milky consistency. Brilliant.